Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here. I'm actually going to shopping. So I'm going to test out this palette from Makeup by Yolondo. It's Vigorously. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So the palette looks like so. It looks like it's the same kind of formula that she have in all her palettes. It's actually very pretty, very pretty. So I'm gonna go in here, called Determined. As soon as I find a brush. Well, actually this brush will work. This is from Morphe. So we're gonna go into Determined. And I'm just kind of like buffing the edges so it's not too harsh. Like so. Perfect. Now I need a fluffy brush. This is a T36. I think I'm gonna go into Vehement or something like that word. Actually no, let's go to punches first. And then I'm just gonna like just put it right here. See, like so. Like so. And now I'm gonna go into this blush. This is a Morphe M518 and I'm gonna go into Vehement, that one. And then I'm gonna go in here like so with this just to buff it up. Just this and then so, and now I'll need another brush. I might take a little bit of Resolute and I'll put it right here. Resolute. I'm gonna look like the Grinch. Like so. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go off camera. See how easy this was, like 5 minutes. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. And I know this is green, but this is like very, you know, Christmassy. So let's just, you know, keep it rolling. So we're gonna talk about this foundation from Morphe. It's the Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation. I'm gonna use this primer. Actually, it's from one size. I got this in my boxy charm and I like it. So we'll use this again today. Man, this looks so gross. What was doing dishes and I just cut up my finger. I'm like, oh god. It's like, what did the finger do to you, girl? Why did you cut it off? Let's give this a shake. And I need a blush. I feel this is gonna be too light, you know. But we're already here, so we're gonna make it work. Like, it is what it is. Yep, we use this from Luxie. This is a 732. What is going on with me with these shades? Oh my god. So we're gonna use this from Rihanna. It is the Bright Fix for the under eye, and then we're going for concealer. Ooh. So I went in for lots, maybe a little bit too much, but you know what, we'll make it work. I feel like I need something else to, like, you know, mix it up, blend it up nicely. Nice, very nice. Now we're gonna go in for concealer. I'll just go in my one size. Oh my god, I feel like my face is so much wider than my body. Okay, now while this is, you know, doing its little thing, let me go in with my bronzer or contour or whatever you want to call it. I don't know why I put my Mario on. I don't know. I had it right here.
By sheer coincidence.
Girl, I don't have all this time to look for this. I was gonna use the actual, like the stick, but you know what? Let's keep it moving. This is from Mario and it's the Soft Scalp Transforming Skin Enhancer, which is exactly what this is. It just enhances, you know, what you already have. That looks fabulous. I just kind of use this to just blend everything nicely. And make sure you bring it up so you can see the difference. So here's not done right here, and here it is, like kind of right here. On the bone. A lot of people say to do it above the bone. On the bone. And now let's go ahead and blend the concealer. This is my Morphe M335 or M335. Again, I think this brush is discontinued. Oh my god. I forgot this is what I had on. Like this concealer, you cannot let this concealer dry. It's like so hot. And then just my neck hurts. Old age. I'm gonna use this House Lab powder to set my face, but or to set my eye on the my under eye. Oh my god, my under eye. So before I go in here, I'm gonna, like you guys gonna see, I'm gonna use like a double something. So first I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush and just tap it. Make sure there's no creasing. I mean, there is creasing, I crease, it just is what it is. Now I'm gonna go into another concealer brush, and this is actually just a setting brush from, a concealer brush from e.l.f. and this is a setting powder, and then I'm just gonna go in and set it like so. And after I do that, I'm gonna go into House Labs. I'm actually using the translucent one. Oh, I like this little paper. It's like just a little paper. Makes it so much easier. Thank you, Lady Gaga. I mean, I know she don't. It actually is at the lab, but this helps. Just or I put concealer. This is cute. Oh, this looks like it's gonna topple over. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with my number 2 powder from Charlotte Tilbury. Nope, wrong brush. My toe is so cold. I think this one is like done. Oh God. And just tap. I love this powder, but man, this powder is so expensive. It's like $40 something for this. I feel like that's a little bit steep for a powder. And it doesn't last either. You know, my husband is gone. Go hang out with his friends. Abandon his. I am so dramatic. Like, he literally just go hang out with his friends for a couple of hours. But we've been like doing everything together for the last like months, so it's just like now he's gone and I'm like, my baby's gone. I think I'm only gonna use one green shade because it's just I can't really put that shimmer there like that. So I think we're just gonna use this shade, Punch. I'm gonna use M408 from Morphe and let's go into Punch. I'm gonna use this pencil. It's from Urban Decay. It's Waterline. It's actually called Waterline, and this is like the best. I'm gonna put sad in my waterline. Not my waterline, my inner corner. Maybe because I'm sad. Let's put sad there. Now we're gonna finish up the face. Coconut water with pop, my favorite. Is it the same thing like what you get in Dominica? No, but I'm in America, so I gotta do with what I got, and that's what I got. I use this. This is from ABH, and I actually really like it. It doesn't really contour me like that, but it does. It's a really good bronzer. Then I'm gonna use this, and I need something a little bit darker, maybe. This is from M.A.C. I think this is like a powder, but I use it for contour. So something you have to work with what you got. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. And now we're gonna use. I'm gonna use that same palette, but I'm gonna use this shade to. Just, you know, I like to mix my contour with my blush, sorry, with my contour. And then same thing, I'm just gonna go into the center one. Okay, so this is from NYX, and this shade is, it's a lip liner, obviously. I can't see the shade. Nutmeg. Oh my god, it took, I'm so old, it took me like an hour to find the name. And then we're gonna use this, it's a plump shot from Boxing. It's like so. Oh, this is tingling. And I'm gonna set my face with this one size. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. You know, I like how this look came up. Kind of bright, but I love it. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.